Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be talking about counting cards. In the casino game, blackjack, a player can gain an advantage over the house by keeping track of the relative number of high and low cards remaining in the deck. This is called card counting. Having more high cards remaining in the deck favors the player. Each player is assigned a value according to the table below. When the count is positive, the player should bet high. When the count is 0 or negative, the player should bet low. So here we have the count change. If the card numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then the count change will be plus 1. If it is 7, 8, 9, there won't be any change. And if it is 10 or J, K, Q, A, I think these are for Jack, Queen, King and Ace, I guess. It will be decremented by -1. So you will write a code counting function. It will receive a card parameter which can be a number or a string and increment or decrement the global count variable according to the card's value. The function will then return a string with the current count and string bet if the count is positive or hold if the count is 0 or negative. The current count and the player's decision bet or hold should be separated by a single space. So here we have an example, like it should be like this. Okay, and in the case of this, here we have 2, 3, 7, K and A. So if it is 2, then it should be incremented by 1, so it will be 1 plus 1 and there is no change here, then -1 and -1 again, so it will give us 0 totally. So in that way we just need to write a function which will give us the total count change, and if it is greater than 0, then it should be hold, or else uh, uh, it should be bet, or if it is less than 0, then it should be hold. So do not reset count to 0 when value is 7, 8, 9. Do not return an array. Do not include quotes, single or double in the output. Okay. So first of all, we just need to write the switch statement here. Switch for the card. Here we should not use the equal assignment operator. We should use this plus equal operator. Then only it will be incrementing its value. Okay, so it will be +1 break. This is for the cases when it is 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, then we have the case where it is 7, 8, 9. In that case it will be count will be equal to 0, or you can just use the break statement here because there is no effect. Okay, then in the case when it is 10, Jack, King, Queen, King, A, count should be decremented by 1. Okay, so this is our first thing to do. After that, doing this, we need to write change this and dollar sign okay. So it will be dollar count, then dollar answer. This should be in single quotes, then only it will work. Before doing that, we should declare a variable answer. Okay, then if count is greater than 0, then return answer is equal to bet. Else answer equals old. Okay, so I think now everything is correct. If I am using this console.log, so I'm getting something like this. So there is some error. Let's check it out. Hey guys, there was an issue that instead of using this single quotes, it was actually another symbol which is near to the 1, numeric number 1. It is just below this escape key. It is like this, and if you have this, then it will be working. So we are getting 1 bit, and if you are putting a value of 7, we are getting hold. If you are putting a value of k, we are putting value of k, then we are getting -1. So I think it is working now. So that is for today. I'll see you in tomorrow.